So that's how he ended up getting more than just one outfit. I found the one outfit and then I found this other stuff and I said, hey, this one pair of shorts looks really good. These are just huge. I said, no, they're a solid 3.
Oh, yeah.
And 2 legs.
I think he wants this one next.
Yeah, look at. Ooh, he likes that bow. That's what he likes.
Hi, sweetheart.
Is that your close-up?
Oh.
He's got rubber legs.
Look at his tongue.
That is a pretty bow. Such a pretty bow.
Pretty blue boy.
Forget about the present, Grandma. I like the bow.
Sure. It's a curly one. That's a cat, Kathy?
Yeah, I have her locked away. She's fine. She works all day to get in there, into the pantry, so I know.